Nerf Shooting Range, the Nerf Gun Shooting Range. You have to try to shoot the bullets into the holes here. Oh, there you go. I'll stand back. See, as you can see, it's the Nerf Shooting Range. They've set it up in this toy store. And let's see if Lil Flash. Let's see if Lil Flash can get any of the targets. Set it up. Quick setup. Quick setup. Oh, you got the 500 points.
So after that,
You've got to collect all the bullets on the ground. They're kind of everywhere at the moment. Lil Flash will have another shot. Here we go. Another 500 points. So this is pretty cool that they set this all up. And you can, there's a few guns like on here you can pick up and you can practice with. Alright, one more shot, Lil Flash. We're going to head off. So this is the Nerf Shooting Range. Hope you enjoyed our little video. Did you hit anything then?
500.
50 points?
500.
500. Alright, there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye from the big Hawaii. Did you hear that, everybody?
Bye from the Lil Flash.
There you go. And we'll catch you at the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.